Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Got a new video for you coming at you. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and test of the C960 HD webcam by Emeet. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera just because I have this like big glare coming at me, but yeah, got the new webcam. This one is much better than the one I'm currently using. This is also 1080p, but this should produce much better video quality, even though this one is already good enough. But the one I'm currently using is going to be used on my tripod, so you can actually see me unboxing the product. So without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing and first impressions. Okay, so here we have said webcam C960 by Emeet. This retails for around 49 bucks on Amazon, but I think it was on sale. I think it normally goes for a little higher than that. So without further ado, let's crack this bad boy open. Hopefully I don't need a knife. I can just use brute strength, and I think I can. So yeah, Emeet, I don't know if you may have heard of them before, but they're like a major competitor against Logitech's C920, hence the similar name. If you guys aren't familiar with Logitech, they make really good webcams as well, and Emeet seems to be one of their biggest competitors. So here, just unboxing it, we have a quick user manual, unless you don't know how to use webcam, but this is just plug and play. You can mess around with the settings later on. Then we have a user manual. Again, I don't know what this is. Okay, I don't think there's any difference between the two. I don't know, maybe they just give you two user manuals, whatever. That's cool. But yeah, I can instantly tell that this thing is much bigger than the webcam I'm currently using. And I actually like the webcam I'm currently using. I think it produces really solid, really solid picture quality. Does this come with anything else in the box? I don't think so. Nope, that's it. So that's it out of the box. I also like this camera because it's really wide angle and can capture a lot. I apologize that I'm filming into the light, but this is the best way to do so. So yeah, as you can see, this thing is pretty big. Yeah, this thing is much bigger than my current one. My current one is probably like half the length of this. But yeah, standard webcam comes with the tripod mount, and you can also adjust it as such. So I have a feeling this thing is going to produce really sharp quality, even better than the one I'm currently using. And it's just plug and play. As you can see, it's USB, and then it's just wrapped up in quick little Velcro thing. I can take this off. So this should be fairly straightforward in setting up. I'm going to set this up in OBS, and I will do a brief video test to show you what this actually looks like and how it compares to the one I'm currently using by LarmTech. So let's hop into that. Okay guys, so this is a quick audio and video test. Obviously I'm using my microphone still, but this is mainly a video test of the Emeet C920. I think it looks great right now. It has more of a fisheye effect, and it's more focused on me. The other one is more wide angle. So now let me do a brief demonstration of how my new setup is going to work. This is really cool. I have some hotkeys set up on my laptop, so I can literally just click 1 and 2 to switch between cameras 1 and 2. So as you can see, you're on the main camera here. This is the Emeet camera, and then if I want to switch to my webcam down here and actually review a product, I can just click webcam number 2, and I can switch down here and say I'm reviewing something, I don't know, Elgato over here. I can just switch between here, and then I can go back, webcam 1, and continue to talk to you guys here, which is really cool. Audio is really clean. Actually, in the future, I'm getting a Blue Yeti microphone, so stay tuned for that. You know I'm going to do a review on that. So it's going to sound even better than this current microphone, which already sounds pretty good, but I want to do a little upgrade in my audio quality, which is cool. So once again, this is the Emeet C920 video quality test. And obviously I haven't messed around with any color settings yet, so I think I can improve it even more, which is awesome. And if I want to switch to my camera here, I can do so as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this interesting. If you want me to do a tutorial on OBS and how I'm actually doing all this, leave that in the comments down below, and leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for future episodes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. Peace.